Dear viewer, you watch today new currency rates. Today dollar buying rate 154.80 and selling rate 155.05. United Kingdom pounds today buying rate 198.49 and selling rate 198.74. European Union euros today buying rate 170.61 and selling rate 170.86. Saudi Arabia Riyal today buying rate 54.10 and selling rate 41.22. United Arab Emirates dirham buying rate 42.10 and selling rate 42.19. Qatari Riyal buying rate today 40.15 and selling rate 40.40. Kuwaiti dinar today buying rate 504.60 and selling rate 504.85. Today Bahraini dinars buying rate 405.78 and selling rate 406.03. Today Omani Riyal buying rate 399.48 and selling rate 399.73. Australian dollar today buying rate 104 rupee point 63 and selling rate 104.88. Canadian dollar buying rate 115.33 and selling rate 115.58. Chinese yuan buying rate 21.48 and selling rate 21.73. Indian rupee rate buying rate 1.91 and selling rate 2.01. Norway krona buying rate 16.69 and selling rate 16.94. Sweden krona buying rate 16.05 and selling rate 16.30. Denmark krona buying rate 22.75 and selling rate 23. Japanese yen buying rate 1.38 and selling rate 1.41. Thai baht today buying rate 4.81 and selling rate 4.96. South African rand today buying rate 8.72 and selling rate 8.97.